Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln 8 equals to capital 8. Capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put the limit goal here. So we just concentrate on this one. Now we have the formula in here. ln 8 to the power of b equals to b ln 8. So this one that is about capital A. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have s ln of 1 plus 1 over s. Next, about s, I will put them into the denominator. When s approaches to number 0, this one will go, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0, this one will go to number 0. So ln number 1, we have number 0 in here. That means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. So we can do about first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So for this one, we have negative 1 over s squared over 1 plus 1 over s. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. Now we need to simplify this one and this one with the negative sign. And now we just have only 1 over 1 plus 1 over s. When s approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. So we just have only 1 over 1 plus 0. And we have number 1. Now we can go back in here. This one equals to number 1. So we have e to the power of number 1. So we can write about e. And this one should be about e. This is the end. Thank you for watching.